Have you ever entered a lab, but you don't know what to do? Your lab coat burned out. You got some chemical spill on your skin. You don't know how to manage the chemical. That's why we're here. We're going to give you a short presentation about lab safety. Lab safety is measurement to protect against the laboratory accident. We're going to explain to you in 3 big points. Rule and equipment to prevent burn. Rule and equipment to protect skin. Rule and equipment to manage chemical.
The first, fire extinguisher. This equipment used for fire emergency situation that possibly happen in the lab. Second, combustible and flammable materials. The picture indicates that these materials very easy to get burned. The picture it used to give information to people that this material is very easy to get burned. The third, loose hair must be tied back so as to be out of the way. The picture it used to prevent the long hair get burned from the fire source. The fourth, emergency shower. If both lab coat and clothing are on fire, proceed to an emergency shower. The fifth, fire blanket. A fire blanket is a highly flame-resistant blanket that can be used to extinguish a small around a person in case of a fire.
First, lab coats. Lab coats protect against accidental spills, example acid. The second, footwear that completely cover the foot and heel. It is important to wear closed-toed shoes in the lab for a variety of reasons. If you drop something such as glassware or chemicals, your feet will be safe and sound. The third, aprons to protect yourself and your clothes from chemical spills. And the fourth, latex gloves and neutral gloves used to prevent harmful chemicals from contacting the skin. And the fifth, safety glasses and safety goggles used in the laboratory to protect the eyes. Safety goggles provide the best protection from chemicals splashing in the eyes because they protect the side of the face. Safety glasses do not protect the sides of the face, so chemicals could still get into the eye.
Safety data sheet. A safety data sheet is used as informational source about hazards, including environmental hazards, and to gather advice on safety precautions. Chemical storage. Chemical storage is the storage of controlled chemical or hazardous material in chemical storage. But all chemical material must be stored and labeled in accordance with the instruction on the safety sheet. Chemical labeling system. The chemical labeling system is a single-way system for classifying and communicating the hazardous properties of industry and consumer chemical containers. Ethers and other peroxide building substance must be stored in the dark and cool in the tightly sealed containers like chemical containers. Refrigerator and freezer. Refrigerator and freezer units are the set specifically for the storage of flammable materials and to prevent potentially explosion.
Okay, now I'm here come to give you a conclusion from our presentation video today. The first conclusion is we can have a very good attitude from learn about life safety and for our social life. When there is some bad accident happen for us, that same just like on the lab, we can manage the problem on the good way. The second is lab safety is very important because when we get into the lab, we can avoid bad accident that can happen on the laboratory. The third is for our future, lab safety is very important because as a chemistry people, lab will be our second home. So we should know about that because when we do an experiment, we can do that because without bad things happen for us. And the last thing that I want to say, our life is not began from an accident. So please don't end it as one. Thank you.